Hi, I'm Andrew Gibson. I'm the author of these two books behind me, What's Your URP and Make Life Simple. And it's my honour to be the guest speaker at the next Masterclass on Wednesday the 14th of December. In that Masterclass, I'm going to help you to realise that you have the power to decide who you help, how you help them, and to make sure you're getting referrals to those people time and time and time again. As well as getting those referrals, by focusing on the people that you want to help, and when you want to help them, you will get more inquiries too. In the Masterclass, the 14th of December, I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a strategy for your business, a referral generation strategy. It works time after time after time. I'm Andrew Gibson. I really look forward to seeing you at the Masterclass on the 14th of December, and thank you again to Steve for inviting me to be your guest speaker that day.